Hey, what's up, everybody? Foreclosures. Foreclosures usually occur when you stop making payments. So usually sometimes 3 to 6 months after you didn't make that one payment, you're gonna accrue fees. It's gonna hit your credit. You're gonna get phone calls. But a bank may start the foreclosure process. Now, keep this in mind. A bank doesn't necessarily want to have your house. They're in the business to collect interest, not to have the property. So an option, there's a few options out there. One option that you may have is something called a loan modification, where you alter the agreement with your bank, whether it be monthly payment, whether it be interest rate, or the length, or the loan amount. The reason why I bring this up is because what has gone in the news is that some people read part of the title where it says 40-year mortgage and stop there. It's an FHA 40-year mortgage modification. So it's not for, you're not going to just go to a lender and say, I want the FHA 40-year mortgage. These are for people that have an FHA loan. They're already home buyers. And this is something that's put together to prevent foreclosures, to prevent people having issues with their house, making payments. They don't want foreclosures. They don't want any of that. The FHA doesn't want that. Because and why? Because they're not collecting money. All right. So when you see it, it's not just a 40-year mortgage. So you can't just call up and say, let me get a 40-year mortgage with the FHA. That's not what it is. It's just an altercation to the FHA agreement where they're going to just most likely just extend it out to 40 years to help reduce your payment. So hopefully it'll make it easier for you to make payments. Now, if you have an FHA, don't go out there just start missing payments so you can lower it. That just doesn't make any sense. But these are for people who are having issues with making their mortgage payments right now, whether it be a death to a spouse, medical issues, loss of a job. Those are going to be valid reasons. All right, everybody. If you have any questions, reach out to me, mrdanageorge@gmail.com or 631-294-6446.